Hey, Unines, welcome to Wednesday's math session. Today we're going to take a look at single bracket expansion. Last term we had a look at double brackets expansion. This is actually a lot easier and yeah, hopefully you follow along, and remember, if you have any questions, please post in the comment section down below. So if the question asks for us to expand the following, what we need to do is we need to get rid of these brackets and multiply whatever term is on the outside of the brackets with whatever's on the inside. So here, what it's saying is 5 times x, and then what we do is we draw a little arrow. So 5 times x, multiplying using what we learned in 2b, we know this is going to get us 5x. And then we would go and expand out 5 times positive 2. So 5 times positive 2, or 5 times 2, that would get us 10. All right, so whenever we're expanding, it's always multiplication. We don't have any like terms here, so that is our final answer. Please, please, please do not combine this as 15x. That's all. 5x and 10, not like terms. Over here, example B, we've got 3 on the outside, so we would multiply with 3x. So 3 times x would get us 3x. And then what we would do is we would multiply 3 with -7. So please don't forget the sign out in front. That is attached to the term or the second term. So 3 times -7. If you're unsure, put it in your calculator. You will get -21. That's 3 times -7. Once again, no like terms. That's our final answer. Over here, we've got a negative term on the outside. Still the same concept. You would go -3 times x. So that's -3 times x, which would get us -3x. And then we would go -3 times -2. -3 times a -2, put that in your calculator if you're unsure. 2 negatives makes a positive, and we would get a +6 as our outcome. Right, and that's our final answer because there are no like terms. Brilliant. Let's keep going. So here we have to expand the following once again. What you'll notice is we've got pro numerals now. The concept still stays the same. We just got to remember to use our index laws. Okay, so when we're expanding single brackets, remember to draw your arrows to help you follow along. So here we've got 3 times x. 3 times x gets us 3x. Then we have 3 times positive 7y. So 3 times positive 7 gets us a positive 21. And then we tack the y on, like so. No like terms. We keep the answer just like that because we can't simplify it down any further because x and y, not like terms. Okay, this is the hardest example for today because we've now got a pro-numeral on the outside, but don't freak yourself out because it's still going to be the same rules that we've been doing. So we'll go -3a times 2a. So -3 times 2 gets us -6. Then we go a times a, which gets us a squared using our index laws. The next one, we'll go -3a times -4. Remember to underline and include the symbol. -3a times the -4. Well, -3 times -4 gets us a +12. And then don't forget to tack on the a. So +12a. All right, once again, a squared and a, they are not like terms, so you cannot simplify this down any further. Please do not combine this and turn it into 6a squared or 6a because a squared and a, not like terms. Let's jump into the questions. So we're into exercise 2C now. Please just do questions 1, questions 2, questions 3, and question 4 every second question. Repeating 1, 2, 3, and 4 every second question. All right, that's all for today, guys. If you have any questions, please post down below and enjoy the rest of your day.